Give thanks to every day above ground. You never know when your life will go done. Whether you're rich or poor, the wicked penman I kill.
Check, check. Mic check 1 1 2. Hello everyone. Jay Mullings from Red Mirror, aka Wicked Penman. Thanks for joining me on another live stream. You already know. If you're not already following or whatever it is you do on here, what is it? Follow, subscribe, all of that. Please consider doing so. Yeah. How can I explain this? There comes a time when you're creating where I've never minded being the person where I will physically ask you to watch something, whatever, or I'll physically say, what did you think? Like, I will engage with you on a one-to-one level. But then I realized, I guess through doing things like YouTube Shorts and stuff where it's like, well, this algorithm serves to push your content to people without you actually needing to do anything. You just make content, write the titles, fill in the metadata, whatever it is, send it out there. People that care about this stuff will end up finding it. Or in the case of, like I said, YouTube Shorts, it goes based off of your whatever you've liked previously. That's most likely what's going to come up in a shuffle. It's not really, I don't think it's really prioritizing anyone's content just yet. So it's like in that case, well, I don't need to. I've been doing an experiment, so I've been sending it out to a certain amount of people just to keep the results consistent. But truthfully, the numbers show that people find you anyway. So if people don't remember that I stream on a Wednesday by now, and I've been doing it for 8-9 months or whatever it is now, then miss the stream, it's fine. Catch the highlights on YouTube. You get the notifications if you're following. If you're not following, then again, that's on you. That's not me. But yeah, like I said, it's a low key evening today. First stream of the month. Yeah, it's getting to that time of year where central heating is needed and necessary. Even though, like I said, I just don't enjoy it. I really don't enjoy central heating. It dries me out no end. You know what I mean? So as much as possible, I try and just get by with clothes and blankets and hot water bottle if necessary. But I avoid turning on the heating because, I don't know, just doesn't agree with my skin. Just makes me feel like really, really dry, like crispy dry. I don't like it. As you can see, I like to be nice and moisturized, and I mean, don't want my beard all feeling like bristle. Yeah, so, but yeah, man, nice shirt. Thank you very much. I'm trying to get it in frame at every chance I get, like. retro baby, retro. Salute audience. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9, and that's the 10-pence salute. You're welcome. What's good? What is it Americans been saying now? My boy. What's good, my boy? What's with this my boy shit? Where did they get this from? Well, my boy, everything is my boy this, my boy that. Like, when did Americans start talking that? Or maybe that's just like an East Coast thing, right? Because I've even seen like comedy videos. All they go on about is, yeah, my boy, and the thing is my boy, and this my boy. Jeez, man. Worst Christmas movie. Now that I should be able to participate in. You wanna come up with a list? I've seen some Oh. Maybe it's just because of how hot I am over this, but was it Last Christmas with Emilia Clarke? Oh my gosh, that movie was terrible. Oh my word. Awful film. Awful. But it's got my fave in it. It's got oh my gosh, where am I? Crouching Tiger, Hidden Dragon, Bond Girl. Where Michelle Yeoh? Come on, man. What's that? Where's the name gone? Best Christmas movie is Jingle All the Way. I don't even know if I've seen that. Oh, is Die Hard a Christmas movie? This seems to be a debate that happens every year. Nah, Before Christmas is the best Christmas movie. Nightmare Before Christmas. Um, yeah. Yeah, I'm not big on these Christmas movies, truthfully. Die Hard is a Christmas movie. Jingle All the Way is the one with Arnold and Sinbad. Yeah, no thanks. I don't think I've ever seen that. And I think it will stay that way.